does PPC work, right? So the first thing you need to understand is PPC is just a way of like basically buying visits to your product listing. So, the way I like to explain this is, it's a way to get to the top of page 1, right? If you can bid high enough and your listing is relevant enough for that keyword, you can show up on the top of page 1 for example, in my picture here, cat toys, right? So this is a way that even though you're not organically on page 1 for your listing, if you bid high enough for that keyword and your listing is relevant for it, which is why it's important to have an optimized listing, you can show up on the top of page 1 in your sponsored ads. And most customers don't understand that they're being advertised to. In fact, studies show that customers expect to be advertised to nowadays. So when they search on Google or they search on Amazon, they expect the top result that comes up to be the best result, even though that's an ad. So you'll see, as a seller, you'll see some really kind of junky products on the top of page 1 for certain keywords, but it doesn't matter because they're advertising and they're paying for those bids, and the customer doesn't know that. So